Have you ever wondered how you can be more productive at work? How can you get more done? And how you can leverage on AI to be able to achieve this? Today, I'll be showing you a scenario where I use AI to be able to get more emails done and be able to reply to more emails than I would if I was not using this. So let me show you the good case practice. So for example, we have a client who is 30 days late and we need to send them an email to prompt them to make the payment. If you are to create this email from scratch, you'd have to think of what is the best thing to say, what's the grammar, what's the tone that I'm going to use, how I frame it, and all that. However, you can use AI to quickly get started and be able to do this. So I will be showing you a real life scenario. So I'm going to start with a small prompt of, I want to draft an email for a client that is 30 days late on payment. So just a small prompt like that, and you can just send it. And automatically it will start by prompting you an email, and you can be able to read through and see, do I really like this email or can I improve this? So you can now improve the tone and more of this, where you can tell it, make the email more firm, and have a professional tone, for example. Now this goes further and improves the prompt better. So for example, right now, if you are to go through this email, you'll see it has a bit more of a firm tone. However, it's very professional. Yeah, so this is where you're showing them that, one, you've been very late and it's really affecting our operations and we really need you to attend them to this matter. If you find it that is too harsh, you can say soften the tone a little bit. Okay. Yes, so now here it can go now. This is a bit firm, however, it's not too firm. So these are the different prompts that you can use to be able to improve the prompt. If you want it to be longer, you can tell it, make it longer, make it shorter, or you can tell it to add more details. Once you're satisfied with how it looks like, now you can just copy it and put it on your emails and you can start sending. This is something that has taken you less than 5 minutes, and ideally you will take around 5 minutes to draft the email and then another 5 minutes reading through and deciding whether the tone is good and if I should send it. So overall, you'll find you'll spend around 10 to 15 minutes per email. Yet, if you're spending less than 5 minutes on an email, it means you can get more work done. So you can find, if let's say in a day you spend 3 hours on your emails, you can cut that down to 1 hour or 1 hour and a half and be able to do other tasks. So this is just one use case on how you can use ChatGPT to be able to do emails and be more productive. Stay tuned. I'll also be recording another video on how you can use on other cases, on real life tasks that you do on every day that might be boring and can help you to be more productive and achieve more. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, and if you want to learn more, kindly follow our channel, like, subscribe, and we'll be here to give you more content. Thank you.